Alright, so Prospect 23. Boom, still marinating. Let's see one. So Ixan Hernandez. So Redding for the eye spots. Cello. So 199. Ooh, hello Platinum Spencer Jones 101. Very nice. For the S spot, Cali Mike. Oh, sick. Yeah, out of nowhere, first pack. Great name too. This stuff's been awesome. So purple Cole Young. So Rook for the C spots, Craig. 99. So Griffin prepping for the pros. Mydroth. Flores, Caminiti. So Caden Bodine. It's the Blue Chips red on card 99. For the C spot, Craig. Thomas Chandler Simpson purple. It's the 99. Oh, the bars Drew Beam hollow. Spots a Weidman red. So 199. Tim Bradfield Spready House rookie. Go Roots. Chandler Simpson rookie red. It's 299. Shagler Esteban Mejia. Obesada. It's Cam Caminiti. So hollow. No Gauge Wood. A Wahiwa Aloy. It's a blue ping. It's a 99. The W spots. Oh, Nolan Schubert's. Man, these have been phenomenal. Another great box of Prospect. Still no kaboom out of the case. We are seven into it. There's what, 13 left? So won't you fly? Guys, a Prospect 23. So jumping in, y'all.